Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make dashi at home. Dashi is a foundational Japanese broth, essential for many traditional dishes like miso soup and noodle broths. Understanding its simple preparation unlocks a world of authentic Japanese flavors. We'll cover the basic ingredients, the step-by-step process, and some helpful tips for perfect results every time. Get ready to elevate your home cooking with this versatile stock. To begin your dashi journey, gather your key ingredients. You'll need a piece of kombu, which is dried kelp, and a handful of katsuobushi, or dried bonito flakes. For equipment, a medium saucepan and a fine mesh strainer are crucial. For a typical batch, plan on using about 4 cups of good quality water. These simple components are all it takes to create a flavorful base. The process is straightforward. First, soak your kombu in the 4 cups of water for about 30 minutes, then gently heat it on the stove. Just before the water reaches a boil, remove the kombu to prevent bitterness. Next, add the katsuobushi to the hot water and let it simmer for just a minute or two. Finally, carefully strain the broth through your fine mesh strainer, discarding the solids. For the best dashi, remember not to boil the kombu, as this can release unpleasant bitter flavors. Your freshly made dashi can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, ready to enhance your meals. You can also freeze it for longer storage. Experiment with different ratios of kombu and katsuobushi to find your preferred flavor profile. And hey, while you're checking out the description for other great deals, you'll also find a link for some amazing darn tough socks. They're seriously comfortable and come with a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.